so glad we're visiting again today. We're going to talk about two amazing products, a day and night regimen. The two products are Promises Delivered Neck Cream and Awaken Even Younger Night Cream. So, I don't understand this. Why are we using a neck cream for our daytime moisturizer? Well, it happened in a very unusual way. We didn't plan it this way. We formulated this product for your aging neck, but our testers went crazy for it and started using it all over our face. They got fantastic results. They're calling us, gotta have it, using it everywhere. We tested it. We found out that it works for the face, it's safe for the face, and the results were astounding. So, this product can be used on your face and your neck. This is how you're going to start your day. The base of this product is our Coneflower Neckline Firmer. Many of you have used that product for years. It has a cult following. We made it better. We added another ingredient that made it more moisturizing, and we put in a delivery system that takes it deeper into your skin. It may not feel quite as moisturizing as the original formula, and that is because it doesn't sit on the surface of your skin. It goes right in to really deeply hydrate and protect your skin, plus all those other wonderful anti-aging benefits of diminishing the look of your lines and wrinkles and making your skin appear firmer. I could go on all day about this formula. It is astounding. Daytime product. Nighttime. At night is when your skin gets the best results from products. Why? Because you're sleeping, you're in a protected environment, all of your bodily functions slow down, and you go to a healing, repairing process. And your skin really can take advantage of any products that you put on it. Awaken Even Younger is full of banana extract. You'll smell it when you take the top off the jar. But the banana extract is not in here as a fragrance. It's in here as a therapeutic ingredient to make your skin look and act younger. Also in this formula is lactic acid. It's an exfoliant. But it's not like other exfoliants that leave your skin dry and hydrated. This exfoliant from milk moisturizes your skin, is anti-inflammatory, and makes it a treatment exfoliant. I promise you this product lives up to its name. You put it on at night, you'll wake up looking even younger in the morning. What a duo, wow! And with this great price that we have during our sale, I hope you'll take advantage of these two wonderful products. They will care for your aging skin. They are loaded with everything that you need to get your skin back on track and protect it. I hope you learned something today. I am so enthusiastic about these products. I use them both every day. This is my regimen with a few other things, but this is my regimen, and I know if you try it, you'll just be thrilled. Happy holidays, everybody. See you next week. Bye.